Get ready, devs. Laravel 11 is here, and it's supercharged. Laravel 11 has arrived, bringing a suite of powerful new features and improvements. First up, meet Laravel Reverb, a high-speed WebSocket server for real-time communication. It's a game-changer for building live, interactive apps. The directory structure has been streamlined, reducing clutter and making your code more organized. Say goodbye to the HTTP kernel directory and hello to cleaner, customizable middleware and app service provider. And here's the kicker, Laravel 11 now requires PHP 8.2. That means better performance and access to the latest PHP features. Plus, model casting is now a method, giving you more flexibility. The new Once helper ensures your code blocks execute only once, and there's a fresh welcome page for new applications. And for all you debugging enthusiasts, the new dumpable trait makes using DD and dump methods a breeze. That's your quick tour of Laravel 11. Ready to upgrade? Happy coding!